Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is RAIL WAY Railway PLATFORM Platform Railway Platform. So dear children, this is about railway platform. Whatever things you can see at railway platform. So one by one, I would like to explain you this all the things. So the first is train. TRAIN, train. Now you can see children, trains are built to transport passengers or cargo along rail tracks. There are all kind of different trains that are built for a range of purposes and environments. Train can be powered by a variety of energy sources including steam, diesel and electricity. You can see this train in this video. Now the next is PLATFORM, platform. Now this is the picture of platform. Early station were usually built to handle passengers and goods. Stations are next to a railway line or they are the termines for a route. Usually these platforms to let the passengers get on and get off the train easily and safely. Many stations have things such as shelters, ticket cells and benches. You can see in this picture the passengers on benches. Now the next is COOLIE, coolie. Now this is the picture of coolie. Coolie is found at the railway station, bus stands. It carry luggage on their heads. A coolie is always available to give his service, leads humble and honest life. A coolie lives on the wages he earns. He does not work under any firm. He leads an independent life. He is free to work or rest. A coolie does not lead an easy life. He has to support his family. He has to earn enough money. A coolie has to work in the very busy area of the cities or towns. Now the next is LUGGAGE, luggage. Now this is the picture of luggage. So children, we carry luggage while going on holiday or while traveling any other place. We carry this luggage with us. In this luggage, we keep our useful things that we use while traveling on one place to another place. Now, next is PASSENGERS, passengers. Now you can see this is the picture of passengers. Have you seen in any train and at railway station? You can see passengers. Now those people are traveling by train. We call them passengers. Passengers can be anyone like children, men, women, old man, old women, any age group of people. You can see in this picture also, dear children. Now the next is TICKET, ticket, MASTER, master, ticket master. Who is this man? This man is a ticket master. Yes. Now I would like to explain you about the ticket master. Traveling by train, we will buy train tickets from the official ticket master. That person help us to find train coach and seat berth in train coaches. Now, the next is BOOKSTORE book store. You can see this is the picture of bookstore at railway station. Have you seen, dear? Whenever you have got the chance to travel by train. So, a bookstore is a store that sells books and where people can buy it. We buy books at railway platform from bookstore. So, we can pass our time while traveling. Now, the next is SIGNAL, signal. Now, this is the picture of signal. So, children, a railway signal is a visual display device that conveys instructions and provides advice, warning, and instructions regarding the driver's authority to proceed. The driver moves according to the signal's indication. Railway signal is a system used to direct railway traffic. Now, the next is ENGINE, engine. Have you seen train engine? Yes, this is the engine. This is a part of a train. Okay. With the help of this engine, train moves on the rail. Now, engine is a rail transport vehicle that provides the motive power for a train. There are many different types of engines that are used in train like steam engine, diesel engine, electric engine, etc. Have you seen, children, engine at railway station? Now, the next is GUARD, guard. Now, I would like to show you the picture of guard. This is the picture of guard. You can say the railway guard. Yes, guard can be seen in every train, either in the brake van or the train, which is also his working place. It is the goods guard who ensure the safe goods of the cargo on the train. Guards ensure the proper working of all the brakes and emergency brakes at full capacity. Guard must take full in charge of the train while in motion, ensuring the safety of the whole train. You can see in this picture, he is a guard and he is just at the railway station, and he also gives sometimes instruction to the station master. Now, the next is TICKET, ticket, WINDOW, window, ticket, window. Now, you can see this is the picture of ticket window. Where we get the ticket? We get ticket from ticket window. It is a window through which tickets are sold. A ticket window is a booth in which passes are sold. A window where an employee sits behind and sells ticket, and the passengers are going to buy these all the tickets. So you can see in this picture there is a girl. She is standing and she is asking about train ticket, and this man is giving train ticket to this girl. So this is ticket window, wherever you can go and you can get the ticket for any destination. So dear children, like this you will study at home. Railway platform. Thank you.